everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful and very gorgeous Friendship Day greeting card with the shadow box technique. And tada! After opening the card, you will get this super duper cute bear which is waiting for you to wish you happy Friendship Day. Isn't it looking very cute? And on this side I have just added one tag for the Friendship Day message. This is very super cute teeny mini gift for the upcoming Friendship Day festival and also very easy to make. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this pattern paper which is having 250 GSM thickness and this measures 21 by 21 centimeters. Now from left side I am marking on 1.5 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, then 16 centimeters, 17 centimeters, 18.5 centimeters and 19.5 centimeters. Similarly, I am repeating this marking on the other side. So marking is done and it will look like this. Then on this marking, I am again marking at 1.5 centimeters from both the sides. Similarly marking in the bottom line. Then make one straight line like this and diagonally join these points like this. Similarly, I have marked in the bottom. Now we just need to chop all 4 corners in this way. So I have cut all 4 corners and it should look like this. Then I am taking my ball tool and scoring all the markings. And then we just need to fold all these scored lines and burnish it very well using bone folder. And then just fold these flaps like this, add little glue between each diagonal line to secure the frame, and your super cute and very easy shadow box is ready. Allow it to set for some time. Then here I am taking this mound board piece which measures 5 by 7 centimeters. I have just created one arc on the top, so I am just cutting this curvature. Here I am making the door Then I have created some mount board strips which is having same height as the door. So I'm just adding these strips one by one after equal interval. Like this, just chopping the excess strips from back side. Then I am adding 2 more strips horizontally on top of this. Again cutting the excess strip and a super cute door is ready. Very easy. Then I am just coloring this door completely using dark teal color chalk paint. You can also use acrylic colors. Then to give little more depth inside, I am adding brown color chalk paint between these strips. Also highlighting here and there randomly using gold acrylic color. Like this. Then I am making some knobs or nails using gold acrylic color on this horizontal line. Then on back side of this I am adding some mount board layers to give it little dimension, and I am keeping this side as it is empty because we are going to add the teddy bear here behind the door who is peeking from the door. So here I am adding just 4 layers of mount board and it will come like this inside the shadow box. Very pretty. Now on right side the teddy bear will come. To make the teddy bear face, I am taking here 4 strips of yellow color in 3mm and making one big tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So tight coil is ready. Now I am taking my quilling mold and just making a light dome shape, adding glue inside this and allow it to dry completely. Similarly, I have prepared one more dome using 7 strips of yellow color in 3mm. So the smaller dome will have the face part and the bigger dome I will use as a body. Now to create the legs, I am taking here 2 strips of yellow color and making one flat bended teardrop shape. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared one more teardrop for hand using one strip of yellow color. Now taking back the shadow box, and I am going to stick the face, stomach portion, legs and hands. Then to create the ears, I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one bended semicircle. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So I am just joining ears with teddy like this. Then to create nose part, I have prepared this tight coil using one strip of off-white color in 2 mm. This is small dome shape. Adding eyes and nose using black color paper circle. I have cut this using 2 mm hole punch machine. Like this. Very cute. Then here to create mouth and nose line, I have used my black gel pen. Then I am sticking the door on left side. And also adding some bunch of flowers with the hand of teddy. These are made using pink color 2 mm strips. Then to decorate the door, I am here taking 1/4 strip of peach color in 3 mm, making one teardrop shape. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared this 5 petal flowers using teardrop shapes and also some leaves. Then I am just decorating the center part of the door using this handle, which is made using one strip. This is simple ring in gold color, and I am decorating the door from bottom corner using my handmade flowers and leaves. So this is done, looking so pretty. Then to make the cover, here I am taking this 14 by 12 centimeter pattern paper. I have folded it from one side on 1 centimeters. I am just sticking it with the card base like this. On top of this, I am adding one more square pattern paper. Then adding this beautiful gold doily on which I have written the sentiment Happy Friendship Day, and also decorating it using some handmade quilling flowers. These are simple teardrop shapes. I have created flowers, leaves using only teardrop shapes. Like this. Here I have connected one cute butterfly in the corner, and inside the card on left side I added one pocket on which you can add any message or tag. I have written the sentiment, thanks for always being there, my buddy. Decorated the shadow box using this scallop punch border. You can stand it to decorate your work area, and for gifting purpose you can just close this and gift it very easily. And from backside also it is looking very lovely. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.